Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting spatial work tutorial. Today we wish to introduce an advanced interactive feature for the viewer. It is called the Viewpoint Manager. Let's start by opening a digital twin sample project. Normally, within spatial work, you would use the default navigation methods. This includes the pan and rotate tools, select view so that your camera can move around. You can also use the keys WSAD to navigate in the scene in different directions. In earlier tutorials, we also spoke about virtual cameras and setting custom fixed viewpoints by pressing different shortcut keys. For example, here we've set keys 1 to 6 to show different camera viewpoints. As we begin delivering digital twins for full-time monitoring and round-the-clock usage, members have started to request for automated viewpoint switching functions. The reason for this is their desire for the system to automatically switch between different viewpoints, similar to how CCTV cameras rotate between views. Currently, spatial work requires users to manually switch between viewpoints one at a time. However, in response to growing demand, we've introduced a new feature. This small player button allows for automated switching. Let me walk you through how it works. As you can see, there's already a list of viewpoints available. By default, you can manually switch between them at any time. However, now we have a way for you to set up an automatic loop to cycle through these viewpoints. Here is how you can set this up. First, go to the player at the top and click on the Settings button. It's located on the right-hand side. Then, in the Settings box, you can choose the camera viewpoint you wish to add to your automatic loop play cycle. For example, here, we'll add 3 of them. Next, click on Save. After saving, you can close the Settings box. Then you can set the duration for how long each viewpoint remains visible before switching to the next. Let's set it to 5 seconds. After everything is set, press the play button at the top of the screen. When the green light turns on, the system will automatically switch between viewpoints. In our case, it will change every 5 seconds with 3 viewpoints in total. No matter the settings you chose, the system will loop back to the first one once the cycle is complete. By the way, the white square you see on the screen is the camera frame. Since we're working in spatial work, there's a camera object. To hide it, while still in viewer mode, click the camera icon on the left-hand panel, then select Hide All Cameras from the right-hand panel once it appears. After doing this, you'll have a clean view with the automated viewpoint cycle already in place. From this panel, you can also add more camera viewpoints. To learn how to utilize this feature, we suggest you to watch the tutorial titled Lesson 14, Creating a Virtual Camera in a Digital Twin. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching. See you in another video shortly.